chicks are free to give their pum pum to anybody. Man. They can give their pum pum to anybody. No, you know what? You can't just be like that. This nigga live in the fucking dark days. You live in the 21st century. Them days, those things are dead. Me, I've dealt with a lot of Jamaican girls. So what? What's the big deal, nigga? Stop that. Yo, man, they can give it away.
But you can advise him, eh?
I want to counsel this young man.
You
know what?
My life for Jamaica died when Bomali died. In 83. Yeah, and I wasn't born that time.
Yeah.
So you do the math.
Yo, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, please. I love you too, Claudia. Peace.
Hi, mommy, how are you?
How are you?
Oh, guys, there is a Somali lady there. I want to interact with that. Oh, mommy, hi. I don't want to. So, guys, I just noticed that Somali ladies are very shy. I don't know why.
Camera shy.
But yeah, they are camera shy. I don't know why, but I hope. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. Muslims don't like. Oh, but anyway, sorry for that, guys. Welcome to Little Mogadishu here in Eastleigh, and on today's video I'm going to interact with people on the street. So guys, my name is Claudia Works for those who are new here, and if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. So let's get into the street and interact with people. And today I'm being accompanied by Gossip Africa. Gossip Africa, say hi.
Hey, what's up? My name is Gossip Africa, a traveler and a YouTuber based in Nairobi, Kenya, Africa. So today I'm with Claudia in Eastleigh. Let's show you the streets of Eastleigh.
So let's go.
Ingia ndani ujione hapa Bangkok nzuri, Eastleigh Dar es Salaam. Hapa tunakueleza kwamba kila kitu utaweza kupata kwa bei rahisi. Asante sana.
Guys, I'm falling down. The place is so squeezed. Eh?
Be careful. Traffic.
Yeah, you need to be careful on these streets. Eh? People are still shopping. The streets are so busy.
It's about sunset.
Yeah. So we are trying to see if we can get away. Yeah. So what's Africa?
Yeah.
It's your first time being here in Eastleigh?
Pardon?
Oh, there's a guy who's calling us there. Come.
Get on shop here.
I'm new to Nomanga. From Eastleigh, yeah, selling sandals.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, my work is there.
Your work is there?
This one. Come take this one. I sell like this one. Just like 500.
There's your work card.
Yeah, my work, yeah. This one I sell 500.
They go for $5. If you come to Eastleigh, which is the name of this street? Bangkok Street, eh?
We have some good stuff here.
For kids, eh?
500, yeah. Like this one 700.
Wow, this is so
welcome, my
beautiful.
dear.
Yeah, and you have like this one.
Oh, we have like this one.
Oh, nice.
How much is it?
So,
1,000 only.
Africans work hard.
Yeah.
Tell us something about this place.
What's your name? So dirty. This is so nice but so dirty. They make something on the environment. The environment is so dirty. You see there, something like this one, yeah.
Okay, can I have a question for you?
Yeah.
Why do you think that most of American people are relocating to Kenya?
Because Kenya is a nice place. It's cool. That's identified. It's just cool. Yeah.
what else can you tell us about American people coming to live in Kenya?
American people, they love Kenya because more Kenyans are Christians, and there in America there's many Christians there, and Kenya is so cool. Yeah.
Okay.
That's good. Thank you so much, bro.
Welcome, my dear.
Oh, I'm Claudia, walk from you.
No problem. I will just go and follow you.
Claudia. Bro, tell us something about Eastleigh. What's so unique about Eastleigh?
Eastleigh. Eastleigh, compared to other places, in Eastleigh business is always. It's not like other places like town where there are limitations of time, where there are different things. In Eastleigh, it's different from other places because in Eastleigh, there is no day you say this is market day. No, every day is market day in Eastleigh. So that makes it different from other places.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Then I noticed that people from the Western countries, Western world, they are relocating to Africa, especially Kenya. And most of them are investing in Eastleigh. Why do you think it's so?
Because Eastleigh, the way I've told you, Eastleigh, every day in Eastleigh, it's a market day. It's a market day.
But business here is booming.
Day. Yeah. Every moment in Eastleigh, you can make your own money in Eastleigh.
That's a good one.
And another thing, the people in Eastleigh, they are civilized. Yeah, we are civilized.
Yeah, by the way, in Eastleigh, it's only the first place. I can be moving on the streets, then people will be wanting to appear in my camera. They want to talk to the camera. Yeah. In other places, they don't. Yeah. Tell us your name.
I'm Bernard.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do sell shoes. Yeah. I've been here for some time.
This guy.
Yeah, these are the things I sell.
Yeah.
They have different prices.
Yeah, we have good stuff by there.
Yeah. This is retailing at 1,000 only.
1,000.
1,000.
That's $10.
Yeah, this is only 700. Yeah.
A good one.
We also do these ones. These are for school-going kids. They can be used for PE. Class.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
They have seen there. Go check us on YouTube as Claudia Walks.
Yeah?
She's Claudia Walks. She's the Claudia.
Walks on YouTube.
Oh, you are the Claudia?
Yeah, I'm the Claudia Walks. Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Claudia Walks.
Yeah, Claudia Walks.
Yeah. Thank you so much, bro.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you forget the name, this guy
is already subscribed.
Thank you so much. I'll be coming. So guys, we are in the streets of Eastleigh. Let's get to know how people.
This guy has disclosed that everyone here is civilized.
Yeah, they are civilized.
The only place in Kenya, people will be wanting to appear in your camera.
But people here are very social.
Giving me some good points. That's why people in the Western world are relocating to Kenya. So the majority of them are coming to invest.
There's a Somali lady who
They are
is
coming to invest in Eastleigh.
Yeah.
Business here is booming.
Yeah. You can see.
The market here is 24/7.
Yeah. A lot of malls.
Bro.
Can you go to the other street?
That side? Yeah.
Eastleigh is big.
Look at that.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, I'm Claudia. What can you advise someone who wants to visit Eastleigh? Can I come?
But you can communicate. Of course. Advice. You want to advise someone maybe in the Western world who wants to visit Eastleigh?
Okay, it is a pleasure to come to Eastleigh, to have good weather, to have a very charming
people,
charming
community,
people here, everything. You can come to Eastleigh, it is a very good place. You can come and visit us here at the shop.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy doing
We
business.
have everything here. suits.
We have a guy relaxing over there.
Yeah, this is a guy. He's my manager.
Your manager.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Okay. I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. And he is Gossip Africa. You can as well subscribe to his YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.
You have gathered your minds? You have gathered your minds?
My mind?
Yeah.
I'm gathered.
You have gathered? No, what can you advise someone who wants to visit Eastleigh?
To visit Eastleigh.
Eh, unaweza ambia nini mtu yoyote mwenye anataka kuvisit Eastleigh?
Mimi naweza mwambia karibu sana huku Eastleigh.
Welcome Eastleigh.
Yeah, welcome Eastleigh. We have everything. We have goods which we can
quality bags,
good quality. Yeah, they are different quality. If you want to visit Eastleigh, welcome to shop.
Yeah. That's you are who?
My name I'm Josephat.
You are Josephat.
Yeah, I come from Kitui.
Yeah. So guys, once you come to Eastleigh, make sure you visit this guy. Just a nice guy. You promote him.
And you will be a nice.
Yeah.
If you promote, you will be a nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will congratulate.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm Claudia Works on YouTube, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No problem.
Can
You
talk
will
Somali.
doing well.
Yeah.
Somali, sio?
Can you talk Somali? Oh, what can you advise someone who wants to visit Eastleigh? Problem is English.
Yeah, it's the language.
So the problem is English. So just the problem is the problem is
You are the problem, Gija. Nipite hapo. Oh.
Address the camera with a bit of Somali.
Yeah.
Ongea Kisomali hapa mimi.
Waambie kitu.
Ambia about Eastleigh.
Okay.
We have dates there. Tende. Ongea Kisomali tu ina shida. Remember, we are in the streets of Eastleigh. Make sure you subscribe to this beautiful channel. Guys, I noticed that most of you are watching without subscribing. Subscription is free of charge, guys. Make sure you support me, road to 5,000 subscribers. And remember, we are in the streets of Eastleigh, so let's keep on working.
Imagine 80% of your viewers don't subscribe.
Don't subscribe, I don't know why, and it's free.
Please support our girl.
Yeah.
We need to get her to 5,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
Probably by the end of next month.
Yeah, by the end of the month, if you have not subscribed, can you subscribe? So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video and thank you so much for staying here. Make sure you subscribe the video and share